friends, I'm CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes daily on unacademy on company law and GIGL, and we are preparing for June 2022 exams. So if you're preparing or revising company law or GIGL, then I would request you to join the sessions as they are free of cost. You can unlock my sessions by using my code CSJAS. I am here to announce another two special live classes today and tomorrow, that is 1st and 2nd April, sharp at 7 pm. Today at 7 pm, we will be discussing and completing the topic of CSR in company law. Today, we will discuss the topic of computation of net profit and CSR expenditure, and tomorrow at 7 pm we will discuss the topic of penalty and CSR reporting. And with that, we will be finishing the topic of CSR in company law. I hope you all must be knowing that CSR is one of the important topics of company law, and you should have complete knowledge about it because of the recent amendments. So I hope that you join the sessions because they are free of cost, and the class links to both the sessions will be in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that before the class begins you get a notification. Other than that, unacademy is offering a comprehensive batch for our CS executive students, which is called the Shikhar batch. This batch is already started, but it's yet not too late, so check the batch links in the description box below. And if you plan to take the subscription, then do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So hoping you all joining my sessions today and tomorrow sharp at 7 pm. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.